Hey y'all, happy Monday. Thank you so much for joining me live today. I am coming to you with a quick tip on how to organize all of your printed recipes that you have from wherever. If you're like me, you have recipes from Instagram, Pinterest you've printed, stuff out of magazines, and it's just everywhere. So if we've never met before, my name is Rebecca Long. I'm an advanced director with Pampered Chef in Dothan, Alabama, originally from Lexington, Kentucky, and I've been with the company for a little over 18 years. So hi, nice to meet you guys, but I'm just glad you're here. So I want to share this quick tip with you. I was recently struggling to find recipes and get them in a right place where I could easily grab them. I like trying new things, and one of the things I hear from y'all all the time is getting bored with the same old thing. And so I thought this tip might help you as it's helped me. So what I did is I grabbed a binder, nothing special. It was just in my closet. I have this weird obsession with school supplies, I guess would be the right word, organizational stuff. Do you ever outgrow that? But when I was a kid, that was my favorite part of going to school, was shopping for school supplies. So I just grabbed a binder. I had one in my closet, and it's nothing special. It's just a binder. Use whatever you've got. Use a folder, use anything. And in the binder, I put 4 tabs and filled it with page protectors. And here's what I did. My tabs are just something I randomly came up with. You could label them anything you want. But what I've got is breads and muffins, sides and snacks, so your appetizers, side dishes, dinner, and dessert. Very basic. And I had tabs, I had these in my closet, but hi Lori, so glad you're watching. I think you'll like this tip too. But anyway, I had these tabs. You can get dividers from anywhere, but I liked these because they have not only a tab for you to label, but they have pockets. And this is where it became super beneficial for me. So I took all those recipes that I printed. I love Pinterest for saving things, but as techie as I am not one that likes to pull up my phone or a computer to look at the recipe. I print it. I know that makes me old school in some ways, but I do. I like it printed. And so I took the recipes that I had tried and put them in page protectors, like the ones that I knew I liked and wanted to keep. Literally just threw them in a page protector. This is handy because if you're like me and tend to be a little messy when you cook, if they get dirty, you can wipe them off and not have to reprint it. And then anything that I had printed that I wasn't sure if I was going to keep or make or whatever, but it was in my maybe I'll try this recipe list, I put in the folder pocket here. So this is full of recipes like that I've printed or pulled out of a magazine that I might want to try. I just don't know when. It also has a secondary pocket for recipe cards, which is really handy, and I'll talk to you about that in just a second. Another tip for you, if you're like me and get foodie magazines, go through here, pull out the recipes that you know you want to make, and toss it. Because what happens to most of us is we get all these cool magazines and there's so many things we want to try, and then we flag them and we put them in a neat little stack and we never ever go back and look at them. So don't do that to yourself. Rip out the ones that you want, put them in your pocket and save them. And then when you want to try them, it's there. If you like it, if you think your family would enjoy it again, throw it in a page protector, you can make it again. If not, toss it. Nothing lost. So I've enjoyed this because like I said, I like trying new things. So when I want to recreate something that I know we've done recently, I know where it is. And then if I just want to try something new for the dinner for tonight, then I can go here and I have a resource to go, okay, what have I printed recently that I've been wanting to try? So I hope this will be helpful for you. This kind of came up because in my VIP group, which you should join if you haven't yet, I will put a link in the comments. I asked recently if I were to come in your house and steal whatever's on the top of your refrigerator, what would you get? And the answers were hilarious. But my friend Katie posted that she had a basket full of recipes, and I shared this with her and I thought, you guys might like this too. Also in my VIP group recently, so many Pampered Chef customers have been trying our new Taste Buds service. And I'll just give a little quick plug for this. This is just one of my favorite recipes that I've had from it. It is a subscription service where you can sign up. You get a monthly delivery of 3 recipes and 3 seasoning packets, like full bag seasonings, and you get them delivered to your house once a month. You can sign up for a 1 month 3-month or 6-month subscription. You prepay up front so you know it's coming, you know how many you're gonna get, and then you have new recipes to try. It also comes with a lot of great tips on what else to do with the seasonings you get so that you can just do something else and not feel stuck that, oh, the dill mix that I got has to be used on salmon. No, it could be used for veggie dip or on any veggies or on chips, anything. Like, it's so good. So if you're looking for new recipe inspiration, check out Taste Buds. I will drop a link to that too. But in my VIP group, which is called Becca's Cooking VIPs, there have been, I bet, a dozen, 20, I don't know how many, people sharing their recipes, what they've been making, how much they enjoy it, and all of that. So be sure to check that out too. So that's really it. That's all I've got for you today. I'm gonna try to be better about coming to you live more often because I hear from so many of you that is so helpful, and we'll do these quick little tips or recipes or anything. I would love to know what you would love to see. If you wanna see certain recipes made or learn about any products or organizational tips, kitchen tips, anything, drop it in the comments. And if you have friends that you think this organizational recipe binder could be helpful for, please share this video. I would appreciate it very much. So thank y'all for joining me. Lori, I see that you already love this. I hope that you get organized and find all kinds of recipes just waiting for you to make them. So y'all have a great rest of your Monday, and reach out, comment, join the VIP group, share, enjoy. Y'all have a great week.